Okay guys, here is my grocery haul for today. We got some house blend coffee. I've already opened it and put it away. That's just the empty box that you see. These are the cheeses that we like, the taco blend for Taco Tuesday. And I'm going to use that sharp cheddar to go over our broccoli that's going to go with our dinner. My husband enjoys these, so he has these on occasion. The Carb Balance Mission tortillas, we use those for tortilla pizzas or on Taco Tuesday. I had mentioned before that Snapple Apple is my favorite drink, and I hadn't found a water flavor to replace that, and I still have not. But I did see these zero sugar Snapples online, and then I found them at Walmart. It was the last one on the shelf. So you can also order them online, because I did order some online before I saw these. I have not tried it yet, so we'll see how I like it. There's broccoli. We're gonna have some steamed broccoli with our dinner. I enjoy these sauces with my chicken tacos. That's the Herdez flavored avocado cilantro and guacamole salsa sauce. And then these are protein bars that we got. Here's the caramel churro. This is a strawberry flavored one for my son to try. And these are strawberry as well. He already knows that he likes these. And these are the vegetables that I have. I got some romaine hearts to chop up for salads. My husband, he likes the iceberg lettuce, so I have that for him. This is some cabbage that I'm going to cook. There is some pineapple, cucumber, green onion, green pepper, red pepper, and golden delicious apples are the favorite for me and my son. My husband loves the Granny Smith, but we have some of those already. And this is the meat that I have. I'm going to do some meal prepping. These are ribeye steaks, ground beef, pork steak, beef stew meat, thin pork chops, and boneless, and then boneless, skinless chicken. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you my grocery haul.